Hello everyone, a very good evening to everybody who's watching. So this is a Thar, brand new Thar. We have coated it with a ceramic coating. So this time we are making a little different video. We're going to discuss the benefits of the ceramic coatings. So before we start up with the discussion, you can just have a look at the car. Being a new vehicle, it has got its own charm, its own gloss, but the ceramic coating has added more to it. And the best part is that the paint has now been protected with a very strong coating, and this gloss, this shine, and this wet look will last for years to come now. So but this will entirely depend upon how well we maintain and how nicely we follow the washing and maintenance practices. So now coming to the ceramic coatings, we at PB7 are using CarPro exclusively, and we are not using any other brands. So this is one of the finest brands in the world for ceramic coatings. And now coming to the content, ceramic coating, the content is silicon dioxide SiO2, and the content of glass is also SiO2, right? So basically we can call this a glass coating. So ceramic coating is what it is, basically a layer of the glass which bonds to the paint, and this bond is a very strong bond, so it will stick to the paint and it will stay there for years to come. So a single application of this ceramic coating, single means a one-time application, will stay for minimum 1.5 to 2 years, and if not maintained well, it will still remain for at least 1 year. The coating will only go away if we use any abrasives, like we use compounds or any other abrasions. That will only, the abrasions will spoil the coating, nothing else. So now we come to the benefits of the ceramic coatings. So this coating CarPro comes in 3 layers. This is the base primer, it acts as a filler, and the content is SiO2. This is the main coating, and this is the top coat. It has also got 5% of silicon dioxide. So now the benefits. The first and foremost benefit is extreme high gloss. Your car will continue to look like this for years to come if you maintain well. About the maintenance also I'll discuss later. The second benefit is that this coating is highly hydrophobic. So it has got 110 degrees of contact angle with the water, so water doesn't stick to the vehicle. It gets comparatively less dirty even in rainy conditions. When we drive on roads, a ceramic coated car would get less dirty as compared to other cars. And third, it is slightly resistant to abrasions, and fourth, you don't need to polish the vehicle for at least 1 year. Now coming to the maintenance, it is very basic maintenance. You should never dry wipe your car. It should never be done, even if your car is coated or not coated. So wiping, because in Indian conditions we have lots of dust in the air, so whenever we wipe the cars, the dust will cause abrasion, it will spoil the paint. Even if the car is not coated, then also it's not a very good habit, should not be done. And car should always be rinsed properly, nicely with water, and then preferably pressure wash, and then any good shampoo. It could be any shampoo, it could be 3M, Meguiar's, any shampoo of your choice, but it should not be the one that we use on human beings or on any other, or detergents or nothing like that. It should be pH neutral. And the second thing is, you need to just wash the vehicle with a shampoo, wipe it off. That's all needs to be done, nothing else needs to be done. If ever needed, we can give a maintenance code for after 1 year, but that's also not needed. And even because the coating has got a life of minimum 2 years, the company says it will last for minimum 2 years, but in Indian conditions, according to the conditions, we give a warranty for 1 year, right? And if we maintain well, the coatings will last for more than 1 year, because I have practically seen this cars running on coatings almost nearing 2 years of completion. So we got no complaints as of now. So these are the basic benefits of the ceramic coatings. Another thing I would like to clarify is that no coating in the world is scratch proof. Only these coatings are slightly resistant to abrasions. Deep scratches these coatings won't prevent. These will only prevent very minute scratches or the swill marks. The swill marks will not come on the paint, they'll come on the coating, and they can be easily removed afterwards. So these are the basic benefits of the ceramic coatings. So this is the final look of the vehicle. The car is ready to go, and we hope you like our videos, and we hope you like our jobs. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.